Acute appendicitis. Appendix is a worm shaped finger like pouch measuring from 3 to 4 inches, located at the junction of small and large intestine. That is, it is attached to the cecum. It has only one passage which communicate it to the cecum or the large intestine. So, in certain conditions, accidentally or unfortunately, fecolith or the hard fecal matter due to constipation or the undigested foreign material like seeds, pins, nails ingested accidentally by the patient or person, or the mass of the various pathogens. They block the opening of the appendix, so it is a pouch which has a buoyant background, that is no communication with the large or small intestine. So it became a closed sac in which there is overgrowth of the lymphoid tissue, mucus, secretions, so it become swollen up, inflamed. Hence there is a severe pain and tenderness felt by the patient in the lower right abdominal quadrant or right iliac fossa. When you palpate or just light percuss, the patient severe pain is felt to the patient. So this is a very distressing and emergency sort of disease. In acute phase, the various tests can be used, but almost it is briefly diagnosed by the history of the patient that there is nausea, vomiting, pain in right iliac fossa, low grade fever. The pain is aggravated, intensified by coughing, sneezing, and physical finding briefly McBurney sign. When you just palpate, press the over the McBurney point, the patient feels severe pain, tenderness. And when you leave the pressing force, there is rebound tenderness. The pain is intensified, aggravated. So, light percussion or deep palpation produces tenderness and pain at the McBurney point. So, this is the main diagnostic features. Similarly, you can perform when you press or palpate or percuss in the left iliac fossa, the patient will feel, automatically will feel due to pressure and shifting waves, the patient will feel pain in the at the McBurney point. Or you can, when the patient is lying on left side, you extend passively right leg of the patient, extend, the patient will feel pain due to stretching of the psoas muscles. When the leg is restored or the flexed, at the hip joint, the patient get relieved. So these are small physical findings or physical tests which can be performed. The imaging tests, diagnostic tests are plain X-ray. CT scan is very useful. Only in, it is not possible or it is not advised in pregnant women and the children ones due to radiation side effects. So ultrasound is the alternate method of diagnostic method to detect the presence of the inflamed appendix. So these are the various tests. While in order to exclude the other pathologies for differential diagnosis, especially in pregnancy in the woman, we can perform MRI. We can also have to exclude by the abdominal ultrasonography ovarian tumors, cyst, ectopic gestation, and the other urinary bladder tumors and pathologies, so that we can depict and finally diagnose acute diagnosis of the appendix. Because the treatment of the appendix is temporarily immediate, is emergency medical treatment which should be followed by the emergency surgical excision of the diseased appendix. So this operation which is performed is called as appendectomy. So the diagnosis of the acute appendix is very simple. History of the patient, only McBurney signs and the ultrasound or the CT scan is sufficient for the final diagnosis of the appendicitis.